Imagine waking up a year from now with double the savings and investments you have today, without cutting out your favorite coffee or giving up fun weekends. Sounds impossible? It's not. The truth is, most people don't realize how much money they leak every day. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how well you make it grow. Most advice on saving money feels like a punishment. Stop buying lattes or cancel your streaming services. But in 2025, money management is smarter than ever. You don't need to live like a monk to build wealth. You just need better habits. The key is to make small, powerful changes that don't feel like sacrifices. These 6 habits aren't just about spending less. They're about making your money work for you. Using psychology tricks and smarter decision-making, you can stop wasting money without feeling restricted. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh, modern approach to saving and growing wealth. No extreme budgeting. Just simple, smart habits that will transform your financial future. Let's get started. Number 1. The money meetings ritual. Treat your finances like a business. Most people only check their bank account when there's a problem, when a bill is due, when their card gets declined, or when they feel like they've spent too much. But successful businesses don't run that way. They track their finances regularly, adjust their plans, and stay in control. If you want to grow wealth, you need to treat your money like a business. The best way to do this is by holding weekly money meetings with yourself. Set aside just 15 minutes every week to check your spending, savings, and investments. Look at where your money went, what mistakes you made, and what you can improve. Then once a month, do a bigger review, set goals, adjust your budget, and plan your next financial moves. With today's technology, this process is easier than ever. AI finance apps can now track your spending, detect patterns, and even give you personalized advice. Some tools even send reports that show you exactly where your money is going. The more aware you are of your finances, the more control you have. Instead of feeling anxious about money, you'll feel confident and in charge. Wealth isn't built by accident. It grows when you actively manage it. By making money meetings a regular habit, you'll start making smarter financial decisions and see real progress over time. Number 2. Use money multipliers instead of just saving. Saving money is important, but saving alone will not make you wealthy. Many people believe that putting money in a savings account is enough, but in reality, most savings accounts offer very little interest. If your money just sits there, it loses value over time due to inflation. The key to growing wealth is to use money multipliers, things that make your money grow over time. Instead of just keeping cash in a low-interest savings account, you can invest in things that increase in value. One of the easiest ways is through low-cost index funds, which let you own small parts of many different companies. Over time, the stock market has historically grown, which means your money has the chance to grow too. New opportunities in 2025 make investing easier than ever. There are now AI-driven investment platforms that automatically adjust your portfolio based on market trends. Fractional real estate investing allows you to own a share of a property without needing thousands of dollars upfront. Even small investments like putting $10 a week into a diversified fund can add up over time. Wealthy people don't just save, they put their money to work. The goal is to make your money grow while you sleep, so it's worth more in the future. Even if you start small, the most important thing is to start now. The sooner you let your money multiply, the faster you can build lasting wealth. Number 3. Automate good financial decisions. Many people struggle with saving and investing because they rely on willpower. They tell themselves they'll save whatever is left at the end of the month, but too often, nothing is left. The truth is, managing money manually is hard, and life's expenses can easily get in the way. The best way to grow wealth is to remove the effort by automating good financial decisions. When money moves automatically, you don't have to think about it. You can set up a system where, the moment your paycheck arrives, a portion goes straight into savings and investments before you even see it. This makes sure you are always saving no matter what. Some banks and apps allow you to split your paycheck automatically, sending a set percentage to different accounts for saving, investing, and spending. In 2025, AI-powered finance apps make this even easier. Some apps analyze your income and spending, then automatically transfer small amounts into savings when they detect extra money. Others round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Even bills can be automated, so you never miss a payment and avoid late fees. By setting up these systems once, good financial habits happen in the background without effort. You don't have to remind yourself to save or invest. It just happens. Over time, These small, automatic decisions can build massive wealth, simply because you removed the risk of forgetting or overspending. Number 4. Build a wealth network of like-minded people. The people around you influence your financial habits more than you realize. If your friends love spending money on expensive restaurants and shopping, you might feel pressure to do the same. But if you spend time with people who focus on saving, investing, and building wealth, you will naturally pick up their good habits. Wealthy people don't just rely on what they know, they learn from others. They surround themselves with like-minded people who discuss business, investments, and smart money strategies. In 2025, connecting with these people is easier than ever. Online finance communities, investment groups, and local meetups help people share ideas and find new opportunities. Even social media has groups where people talk about financial success and personal growth. When you are part of a wealth network, you hear about smart ways to save, invest, and grow your money. You also get support and motivation to stay on track with your financial goals. Many people find their best money opportunities not from books or courses, but from conversations with the right people. If you want to build wealth, start surrounding yourself with people who are already on that path. The more you learn from others, the easier it becomes to make better financial choices and grow your money faster. Wealth isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Number 5. The No 0 Day Wealth Challenge. Tom used to feel stuck with his money. He wanted to save more, invest, and make better financial choices, but every time he tried, he felt overwhelmed. Some days, he did nothing at all, and over time, those 0 days added up. Then, he discovered a simple rule: never let a day pass without doing something to improve your finances. Even if it was small, it still counted. This idea, called the No 0 Day Wealth Challenge, is simple. Every single day, do one thing that moves you toward financial growth. It doesn't have to be big. It could be as simple as saving $5, transferring money to an investment account, learning a financial skill, canceling an unused subscription, or selling something you don't need. The key is to make sure that no day is wasted. When you take small financial actions every day, they add up fast. After a month, you'll have saved more, learned more, and made better financial decisions than before. Over a year, the results can be life-changing. In 2025, gamifying this process makes it even more effective. Some finance apps track your streaks and reward you for keeping up the habit. Seeing your progress can motivate you to keep going. Building wealth isn't about making one big move. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. When you commit to never having a 0 day with money, you start creating real financial momentum. Number 6. Reverse budgeting. Save first, spend later. Most people handle money the same way. They get paid, spend on bills and daily expenses, and then hope there's something left to save. But by the end of the month, there's usually nothing left. This is why so many struggle to build wealth. The problem isn't a lack of income, it's the way money is managed. Reverse budgeting changes this completely. Instead of saving what's left, you save first and spend what's left. The moment your paycheck arrives, a set percentage, whether 20%, 30%, or even just 10%, goes straight into savings or investments. What remains is you're spending money for bills, food, and fun. Many people worry this will make their budget too tight, but the opposite happens. When money is set aside first, you naturally adjust your spending to fit what's left. You stop wasting money on things you don't actually need, because you know your future self is already taken care of. Technology makes this habit even easier in 2025. AI-powered finance apps can now automatically move money into investment accounts before you even see it in your checking account. Some apps even calculate the best amount to save based on your income and spending habits. By prioritizing savings and making wealth building automatic, you remove the struggle of trying to save at the end of the month. Over time, this small habit grows into significant wealth, simply because you put your financial future first. Growing wealth isn't about making huge sacrifices or earning a fortune overnight. It's about small, smart choices that add up over time. Most people don't realize how much money they waste every day on subscriptions they don't use, impulse buys they don't need, or habits that keep them from saving. But by following these 6 simple habits, you can stop wasting money and start building real wealth. You don't have to change everything at once. Just start with one habit today. Cancel an unused subscription, wait 24 hours before making a purchase, or put a little money into savings. The more you practice these habits, the easier they become. A year from now, you'll look back and see how much progress you've made. Your money will be working for you, and you'll feel more in control of your future. The best time to start is now. Your future self will thank you. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.